Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe at home. Welcome to the math class. Now let us continue the chapter fractions. First, second, third mean from the exercise 2.1 was given for the homework. Let us continue with the next problem, that is from the fourth. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12.5 centimeters long and 10 2 by 3 centimeters wide. Find its perimeter. Let ABCD be the rectangular sheet whose length is 12 1 by 2 centimeters and the width is 10 2 by 3 centimeters. We know opposite sides of the rectangle will be equal. That is AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC. We have got a formula to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. That is perimeter of the rectangle ABCD is given by 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into the length is 12.5 centimeters. That is 12 1 by 2 plus the breadth is 10 2 by 3 centimeters. That is plus 10 2 by 3 centimeters. Both the fractions are in the mixed fraction form. So let us convert that to the improper fraction form. 2 into as it is 2 12s are 24 plus 1 25 by 2 plus 3 10s are 30 plus 2 32 by 3 centimeters. In the next step 2 into as it is. So we are supposed to add these two fractions, right? But the denominators are different. So we can't add directly. So let us take this 2 and 3 out and find the LCM for 2 and 3. So the LCM is 6. The next step 2 3s it will be 6. So same into 3 in the numerator. 3 2s it is 6. So same into 2 in the numerator. So the next step 2 into as it is 25 3s are 75. 2 3s are 6 plus 32 2s are 64. 3 2s are 6 as it is. In the next step 2 into keep the common denominator 6. Then you add the numerators 75 plus 64. That is 2 into 139 divided by 6. We can cancel this 2 and 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. The next step we have that is 139 by 3 centimeters. So it is an improper fraction. So let us convert that to the mixed fraction form. That is 46 1 by 3 centimeters. The next sum, to find the perimeter of triangle ABE and to find the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE and whose perimeter is greater. We are supposed to judge whose perimeter is greater. So consider the diagram. We are supposed to calculate the perimeter of the triangle ABE, that is nothing but to add the three sides of the triangle. We are supposed to add the three sides of the triangle ABE. Then we can see the rectangle here, that is BCDE. We are supposed to calculate the perimeter of this rectangle. That is nothing but we are supposed to add all the four sides of this rectangle. So first let us find the perimeter of the triangle ABE. That is sum of all the three sides. That is 5 by 2 centimeters plus 2 3 by 4 centimeters plus 3 3 by 5 centimeters. 5 by 2 as it is, where 2 3 by 4 centimeters is in the mixed fraction form. So let us convert that to the improper fraction form. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4 plus 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18 by 5. Now we are supposed to add these three fractions. We can't add directly. So let me take this 2 4 5 out and find the LCM. The LCM is 20. So 2 10s it will be 20. So same into 10 in the numerator. 4 5s it will be 20. So same into 5 in the numerator. 5 4s it will be 20. So same into 4 in the numerator. So in the next step 5 10s are 50 by 20 plus 11 5s are 55 by 20 plus 18 4s are 72 by 20. So in the next step keep the common denominator, add the numerators, that is 50 plus 55 plus 72, that is 177. So it is in the improper fraction form. So convert that to the mixed fraction form. So 8 17 by 20 is the answer. 8 17 by 20 is the answer. Next let us find the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. We have the formula 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into as it is. The length is 2 3 by 4 centimeters plus the breadth is 7 by 6 centimeters. So the first fraction is in the mixed fraction form. So let us convert it to the improper fraction form. So 2 into as it is. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6 as it is. So let us take the denominators 4 6 out and let us find the LCM. the LCM will be 12. 4 3s it will be 12. So same into 3 in the numerator. 6 2s it will be 12. So same into 2 in the numerator. So in the next step, 2 into as it is. 11 3s are 33 by 12 plus 7 2s are 14 by 12. So 2 into, keep the common denominator 12. 33 plus 14 is 47. So we can cancel this 2 and 12. 2 1s are 2 6 are. So our final answer is 47 by 6. This is also an improper fraction. So let us convert that to the mixed fraction, that is 7 5 by 6 centimeters is the answer. So when we compare the perimeter of the triangle and the rectangle, whose perimeter is greater? Yes, it is. The triangle's perimeter is more than the perimeter of rectangle. The next problem. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeters wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeters wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? So once you read this problem, you will come to know that the width of the picture is more than the width of the frame. So it is a subtraction problem. So first I will take the width of the picture. From that I am going to subtract the width of the frame, that is 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10 centimeters. So both of them are in the mixed fraction form. So let me convert that to the improper fraction form. 5 7s are 35 plus 3 is 38 by 5 minus 10 7s are 70 plus 3 73 by 10. Now I am going to subtract these two fractions. So I will take the 5 and 10 out and I will find the LCM. The LCM is 10. So 5 2s it will be 10. So same into 2 in the numerator also. No need to multiply by any number for the second fraction because already the denominator is 10. So I will not multiply by any number. So in the next step, 38 2s are 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10. Keep the common denominator. Subtract the numerator, that is 76 minus 73. You will get 3. So 3 by 10 centimeters is the answer. The next problem. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? So the apple was cut into 5 equal parts, out of which Ritu has eaten 3 parts. So the Somu's share will be 2 by 5. So the Somu's share will be 2 by 5. Then Ritu had the larger share by 1 by 5. If you subtract the share of the Somu from the share of the Ritu, you will get the difference. That is, Ritu had the larger share by 1 by 5. The next problem. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Vaiba finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? That means we are supposed to compare the fractions 7 by 12 and 3 by 4. So let us compare the fractions 7 by 12 and 3 by 4. So we can't compare directly because the denominators should be same. So I'll take the 12 and 4 out. I'll find the LCM, that is 12. So 7 by 12 I'll keep it as it is because already the denominator is 12. So for the second fraction, 4 3s it will be 12. So same into 3 in the numerator also. So in the next step I'll get 7 by 12 and 9 by 12. Naturally 9 by 12 is the greater fraction, that is Vaiba worked for longer time. So if you subtract the 7 by 12 from the 9 by 12, you will get 2 by 12. If you cancel it out, you will get 1 by 6. That is, Vaiba worked for longer time by 1 by 6 hours. 1 by 6 hours. Till now, we have solved the exercise 2.1. In the next class, we will meet with the topic multiplication of fractions. Thank you.